from AngieSouthernKitchen.com, and today we're going to learn how to make macaroni and cheese with Velveeta cheese. And believe it or not, it's really good. Even some of the nicer restaurants sneak the Velveeta in there and won't even tell you. I have got one whole pound box of macaroni noodles that have been boiled, and I like to cook them al dente because there is some carryover heat when you pour the hot sauce and it absorbs it. And if you don't cook them a little bit under, they tend to be kind of mushy in the end. So I undercook them. And I use 1/4 cup of heavy cream and 1/4 stick of butter and 1 cup of whole milk. And I take the Velveeta and I put it in my sauce pot. And in here I've already got my butter and my milk and my cream. And I've chopped it up because it makes it melt a little bit quicker and a little more uniformly so that it's not lumpy. And once I get it completely melted, then I pour it over my macaroni and I let it sit for a little bit and it absorbs into the macaroni, and then I put it in the oven and heat it up, and it's nice and creamy. Then once your cheese and everything has melted and you have a nice thick cheese sauce, you want to put it over your macaroni and cheese. And it is a little bit runny, but it will absorb into the noodles. And after you let it sit for a little while, it will thicken up and it'll be wonderful. Again, I'm Angie from AngieSouthernKitchen.com, and you just learned how to make macaroni and cheese with Velveeta.